the time which we are starting. Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. In our series of videos on breakfast and lunch combos, today we'll be doing the day 1 breakfast and lunch. The menu is we are going to have Kanda Poha. Kanda means onion and poha is your flattened rice or aval as we call it. That is your breakfast. And for lunch we are going to have roti and Aloo Matar sukhi sabji, dry sabji of potato and peas. So let's start now. Now for every video the main thing I want to tell you is there will be some pre-preparation which you are going to do the previous night and keep. So the pre-preparation for day 1 is we have planned to make rotis today for lunch. So we have kneaded the wheat flour atta and kept it overnight in the fridge. Secondly, we have also boiled some potatoes and kept it in the fridge overnight. As I told you, we are going to be very conscious of time. So all the pre-preparation which you need for this, you are going to do the previous night and keep. So shall we start? For making the poha, take a pan and heat some oil in it. Now for making the poha, first you finely chop about 2 to 3 onions and keep, and finely chop some coriander, green chillies and curry leaves. Next take 2 cups of poha and then add some water to it so that we can rinse it thoroughly. There is no need to soak the poha. If you just rinse it like this, that is sufficient. Don't take the thin poha, take the thicker variety of poha and just drain out the water. Now take some oil in a pan, about 2 tablespoons oil, and heat it. Add in a few mustard seeds, add some cumin seeds, and these are fennel seeds or Somph as they are called. Add that also, it adds a good flavor to the poha. Then add in your green chillies and chopped curry leaves. Add in the chopped onion. You can reserve some chopped onion for adding later once the poha is done. Now fry all this together very well. Add a few groundnuts also to this and let it also get roasted along with the onions. Add a pinch of hing, haldi. Next, add in some salt and also a spoon of sugar. Add a little bit of the coriander leaves at this stage, then we can add the remaining later on. If you use roasted groundnuts as I have used, then your work will be still faster. Or drain out all the water and add the drained poha to this. And again mix everything carefully together. Just cover it and allow it to just steam like that for 1 or 2 minutes. So now you can switch it off. See, lovely hot steaming poha is ready. You can take it out onto your serving bowl. Your day 1 breakfast is ready. Just before serving, take it onto a plate and sprinkle a little bit of finely chopped onions at top and also some finely chopped coriander. See how fast and easy that was? Now let's go on to making the lunch. Next, let's make the Aloo Matar dry sabji. We have taken out the potatoes from the fridge which we had boiled the previous night and kept. Peel the potatoes and chop them into pieces. Now for the potato curry, heat about 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Then add some mustard, cumin seeds and a little bit of Channa Dal. Add a little bit of Hing also to it. Add in some chopped onions. Add some haldi powder, salt, some chilli powder and also some Dhania powder. Let the masalas just fry for a minute or so. Now this is frozen peas which I have also taken out from the freezer and kept it first thing in the morning when I took out the chapati dough. So add that and then add these chopped potatoes, chopped boiled potatoes. Mix everything together. It is always handy to keep frozen peas packet in your fridge. You can use it at any time. If you don't have frozen peas, you can use fresh peas, boil it and take it. But that will again take more time. If you don't have peas also, don't worry, you can just make it with the potatoes and onions. So this is the frozen peas which I get and I remove it from the freezer and keep it well in advance. Just fry it all together for a couple of minutes. Keep the flame in sim and again cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. So now let us remove the lid. It's just about 2 minutes. Switch it off. Your lovely Aloo Matar dry sabji is ready for your lunch. All we have to make are the rotis. I just taken one, dip it in flour. We are just going to make it like fulka, so no need of any oil for this. See how easy it becomes once you take care of a few little things the previous night. Spend some time, make your chapati dough, keep it in the fridge. Boil the potatoes, keep it in the fridge. That's it, and you're ready. Heat a tawa and place one roti on that. And while that is cooking, you can roll out the second roti. Now I have flipped it over, got bubbles on the other side also. Increase the flame and see, beautiful fulka puffed up very nicely. Remove it. Similarly, make your remaining rotis also. Similarly, make your remaining rotis also. Don't waste time while one is cooking on the tawa. Roll out the other one on your chapati board. This flour which we use for dusting, don't mix it with the main container of flour because it might tend to get a little bit of moisture. So keep a separate box for this and use it every day. Keep cleaning as you are working so that cleaning doesn't become too long later on. Now I have a few coriander leaves left here. You can finally just add it to this sabji. So your day one breakfast of poha and lunch roti and aloo matar. So see, our day one breakfast and lunch combo, Kanda Poha, roti and Aloo Matar dry sabji is ready. It has not taken us much time. It has taken just half an hour from start to finish. Now you can serve your poha for breakfast. For lunch, if you are at home, you can just keep this aside, or if you want to pack it in a box also, you can just pack your rotis here along with some sabji for your lunch box, either for children for school or for office goers, whatever. So now you have the rest of the day to do any other jobs that you have. So do try this method of really saving your time, planning your meals for the entire week. I will keep giving you such combos for the entire week. This is for day one I have given. So try it out, share it with your family and friends, and get back to Geeta's kitchen for more such easy tasty recipes. Thank you.